fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with some goodies to show you from the folks over at Fansells. Before I jump in though, if you could do a couple of things for me, hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. Those both help me out immensely, and I very much appreciate it. Also, you can check out the description box down below. You will find links to my Facebook group and my Facebook page. Would love to see you both of those places. And you can follow me on Instagram over at diamondpaintinganonymous. Okay, so these are kits from Fansells, and then I've got a little surprise. So I'm going to dig in and show you the little surprise first because it's a little cover minder. And with the holidays approaching quickly, I thought this one was really cute. They had a whole series of them. I'm trying to get the tape undone off of here so I can show it to you guys. And it's sticking to my fingers. They had a whole series of these for the holidays, and I thought this one was super cute. If I can get into it. The tape keeps tearing. Maybe that'll be enough for me to get it open. Oh. Nope, one more little section. Okay, there we go. And look at this little cutie. It's a cute little reindeer cover minder. How adorable is that? It's got the little magnet on the back, and they had a whole series of Christmas themed ones, but I thought the reindeer was the cutest. This little guy was $1.14, and actually I wasn't when I ordered it, wasn't sure if I would like it, what it would look like. So I might go back and get some additional ones of these because these are super cute. So little reindeer cover minder. And then I've got two kits. I'm going to save that one for last. I bought that one for a particular project, but let me show you this one first because this one is super cute. If I can get it out of the package. I swear, sometimes these get shoved in there so tight. There. Oh, goodness gracious. And now the glue part is sticking to it. Okay. Let me just lay that over there. Good gravy. Okay. Now this isn't a super thin canvas. It's not as thick as the typical ones, but it's not super thin. But it is pretty easy to roll up. You can see how tight I rolled that. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. So typical toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. And what does our canvas look like? You guys, look how cute this is. It's these cute little parrots, and it's this stained glass design that I really like. I kind of wish these were available in full drill, but they're still cute, so special drill I'll take. So we do have a schematic on both sides, and we do have the codes. It's got the crystal codes as well as the special shaped codes. So it looks like we've got several different shapes, a teardrop, a marquee, and then I don't know if that other one is a round one, but we'll see. And so you don't do the background and everything, but there is lots of special drills in the flowers and the parrots, so that's good. 18 colors, so not too many colors. It's nice and sticky where you need it to be. And yeah, I mean, special drills are pretty easy, right? So let's just jump in and look at the drills. Oh wait, this is a 30 by 40. Let me measure that. Oh, you guys. It is 25 by 35. So sold as a 30 by 40, it's a 25 by 35. Now, let's look at our drills and see what we get. So only 18 colors, which is, I think, a nice amount for the size of painting that this is. So let's look at our regular rhinestones and then we'll get into the special drills. So we've got this really pretty kind of deep orange, a lighter orange, a yellow, a green, a turquoise, a blue, kind of a darker blue, a very dark purple, and then a purple, kind of that berry pink color, a smoky purple, ooh, that very pretty berry color that I love. And then this one is like a very dark pink and a red. And then we get into our special drill. So we've got a green, kind of turquoise iridescent marquee, kind of an antique yellow round, a pink iridescent teardrop, and ooh, those are super pretty. A blue iridescent teardrop that's a little bit smaller than these. So lots of pretty colors in this one. And yeah, just another one of these kind of really cute, easy, quick, when I need a break from a large project kind of things. You know, I think that's maybe some of my problem. I got when I was doing my September challenge, you know, I was doing all of those small projects. And so I really haven't kind of filled up my stash of small projects again. So maybe that's what I need to do to help when I'm doing large projects like Miss Havisham. And this one was $4.62. Okay. And then let me show you this one. Now this one I got for my sister, so I hope she's not watching, because she has several paintings that I've done for her that she has hanging up in her office, and they're all animals, but she wanted them all to be wearing glasses. Now, why glasses, you ask? I have no idea. But one is a giraffe, one is an elephant, and then I found this one. Now, this one, as you can see, is a square, and it's a lot of white. So I'll get to that. So typical kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen again. Now, this one is a little larger. This is a 40 by 40. And you guys, I must be crazy because it's pretty much mostly white. You can't really tell, well, I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but it's a white background, and then it's a cute little bunny rabbit with a drink. So here's the thumbnail. You guys can see that a little bit better. And it's super cute. So this is one of the only ones I could find that was an animal that had glasses, that wasn't something I'd already done for her or something very similar. Like there were lots of elephants with glasses, but she already has one of those and I wanted to get something different. Now, I may end up actually cutting this down because this is a 40 by 40 and the other ones that I did for her are 30 by 30. So what I might do is cut this down, because then also that means I can cut out some of the immense amounts of white that I would need to do for this. So there is some off-white and stuff, obviously, because the rabbit itself isn't going to be completely white or you wouldn't be able to see it against the white background. But or maybe I'll change it up completely and just do the background in a different color. I haven't decided yet. It's a square. It'll take me a while, so we'll see. So we've got a schematic on both sides, top and bottom. There's only 17 colors. We do have the DMC code, so that's good. And it is listed as a 40 by 40. So let's see. It is 34, I'm going to guess by 34. Yep, 34 by 34. So if I cut it down to, well, you know, the ones I did for her were 30 by 30, so they would be 26, 25 by 25, something like that. So we'll see. But I think that's what I'm going to do, is either cut it down or change the background color. Well, I'm probably going to cut it down either way. It's nice and sticky where you need it to be. I'm probably going to cut it down either way, but I might cut it down and change the background color. I haven't decided yet. So it is a square. So let's open up our drills here and see. They come in baggies. So for those of you who like to work in baggies, that's nice. Let's get them all out here. The 17 colors is not a lot. And if I was just working the rabbit and not, you know, I could just do a little bit around the outside of it. We'll see. So we've got this kind of pale pink. We've got black. That's not very much black. We've got a dark gray. I do see dimples on these drills. We've got a light gray. We've got kind of a darker orange. This is a bright orange. A very pale pink. A gray, a dark gray. We've got a yellow, a tan, a light blue. Ooh, look at that kind of bubblegum pink color. That's pretty. Another pink, a kind of slate blue, and another gray. And then I have 1, 2, 3 bags of this white. So yeah, I think it's super cute. The bunny is super cute. Again, not thrilled about the all white background, but I can cut it down, which is what I think I'm going to do. And maybe when I washi tape it, I'll washi tape it kind of on where I want to cut it and do it that way. And we'll see how it turns out. But I just thought he was cute. And I won't be working on this one for a while. I have other projects that I need to get to first, but I thought it was cute. So yeah, and this guy was $6.94. So we've got my Snow White bunny here. We've got our colorful parrots, and then we've got our super cute little reindeer cover minder. So there you go, guys. As usual, I will put links in the description box down below so that you can check all of these out and check out other stuff while you're there. They usually have a pretty good selection. So before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.